Summer is a season for abundance. Just as the flowers bloom and the fruits ripen, we too are reminded of our own potential for growth. It is the time to ignite our inner fire and explore our own creativity, passions, and dreams. As we bask in the sunlit hours, friends and families come together, playing, connecting, being present. Embracing the joy to be found in even the most fleeting of moments and shared experiences. Our lives flourish when we cherish the bonds of love and friendship. So open your hearts, sing, dance, play. The days are still long. So simply love and be loved.